I saw a court filing where the DOJ did not want non-victim witnesses to testify, meaning people that were investors that claim they're not a victim. They wanted to bar them from testifying. Now, how do you do that when, if you're trying to put on a case of innocence, you would think you'd want to bring in many investors who speak highly of you?
In fact, that the judge did give a favorable decision on the motion that government filed. It was actually granted by the judge yesterday that non-victim witness will be able to appear in the court, however, with very limited instruction on their testimony. But the point is, the government has the right to call on a so-called allegedly victim. All of the 6 victims that the government had called, to ask them to appear in the court, it was turned out that the majority of the investments was actually returned to the investor. Some of the loss actually came from SEC, not the investment itself. And there are also the aggregated amount of all of these investments counted up to 1.3 million. However, the government's fraud charge against Miles is 1 billion. So with all that being said, you look at the numbers, you look at the refund that they received from their investments, it almost showing me that the majority of the investors are not claiming that they are victims of the investments and that the government now is concerned about having non-victim witness appear in a court.